Ah, okay, okay. Okay, hört ihr mich von hier? Wenn ich so bin, hört ihr mich? Passt das so? Okay. Okay, yeah, you can do. Wait.
First, what you want your haircut?
Yeah, I can show you. Jungs, haben wir die Bilder noch? Tot, ich hab die nicht mehr. Can you my prime haircut?
Okay.
I don't know how to call it. They say low tape. Also
Actually, I think is low fade.
low fade.
Yeah, because low taper is just here, you know. But yeah, I got it.
Okay, but here nothing cut because I have no hair, you know. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
But when you cut much, I have
Okay, yeah.
airplane.
You have to hide.
Yeah, yeah, I have to hide because my hair is finished.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
This make my marketing.
Wenn ihr auf Madeira seid, könnt ihr da hingehen. Do you have also barbershops?
Yeah, actually, I have 2 shops here in Madeira.
2 shops here?
Yeah, one is close to here, in close to this roundabout here. My bank is in Madeira shopping, close to Madeira.
Ah, Madeira shopping, yeah.
Yeah. So when you want, you can go in one of these shops. So and for my marketing here after, leave my.
Wait, shout out your Instagram, yeah. Hat nicht geleakt, Jungs. How do you find my hair? How my hair from 0 to 10? How cooked am I with my hair?
Okay.
No. Ich weiß nicht, wie ich das sagen soll. How have I much rate my hair from 0 to 10? My hair, can you rate?
Yeah. Actually, well, I really don't understand this one.
Do you know rating?
Okay.
Yeah.
0 for 10.
Yeah, 10 is good, 0 is bad. My hair.
Now is bad, 0. After my haircut, we'll be good.
Okay, okay. Gucken, was macht.
My English is not so good.
Yeah, my also not. It's
maybe it's better take off this. I think.
What? Ah, yeah, it's my Badewanne Hector. Yeah, it's okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Do you often go to other customers' home?
No, friend.
This is the first.
Just you.
It's first time.
It's not first time, but
okay.
I just do this with you, especially the busy day in my shop. I have to come to here.
Yeah.
And leave my. But I have.
Wie viel hat der Hausbesuch gekostet? 60. Also how many euros is a normal haircut in your yeah
20 and 20 30
okay
euros.
Okay, check.
Yeah,
check. Was da runterfällt, sieht aus wie Staub, Mann. Fresse, Alter. Do you think I have to go Turkey?
Yeah, my friend, maybe it will be necessary because now you have a drive-through.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm Brazilian, so not Turkey. Good. In Portugal.
Ah, okay. Are you from Brasilia?
Yeah, I'm from Brazil.
Do you watch football?
Oh, don't remember that. Please, don't remember this. It was a shame. German,
yeah.
7-1, yes, don't, please.
It was a joke, please don't fuck my hair.
I don't know.
Oh, Jungs, kann man irgendwie meine Haare noch anders machen, dass die... Weil wenn ich jetzt wieder mit diesem Low Fade da hab, dann ich will irgendwas anderes machen. Do you think it's possible to color my hair or is too...
Unless you want to be balding.
Okay.
Your hair now is too weak, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't think it's a good idea.
Okay. What can I do to stronger my hair?
Have something, but I cannot say in this stream, you know?
Okay.
No, you can buy on internet, call Minoxidil 5%. And this will help. I think not. I know. I'm sure about that. And you can buy on internet. Better in brand is better. Say here.
No, don't
do that.
Do it.
Yeah, but yeah. Minoxidil 5%.
What?
Minoxidil.
I have.
Yeah. You have.
Yeah. Every day.
Two times per day.
No, one time.
One used to.
How
long you use?
For 1 month.
1 month is too So you have to use more time. 3 months you can see something.
Okay. But do you think it's good when I go Turkey with 21? Or I have to wait?
I have 21.
21 years, yeah?
Really?
Look, I older?
No, not just because you have. But yeah, no, I think it's not a good idea now because you will do here, and after we'll down here,
yeah.
and you have to go again to Turkey. So I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe you have to wait. Procedure if it's necessary. But I saw a lot of customers using this and solve the problem. So.
But in my head, it's magic. It's don't real in my head. Because I see TikToks and they have, in 3 months, they have doubled the hair. But.
Or use like in Brazil. I wish Brazil we have a.
What?
In Brazilian you say calvão de cria. But I have to show you. I can show you.
Was? Das habe ich noch nie gehört. Jetzt will ich schon mal, was kommt. Zeig mal Heimloch von Seite. So. Alter, wie sehe ich? Hölle nein.
My internet don't work here.
Ah, okay. Mach das, was ist das?
Kidding, okay?
Oh, Calvario de Cria, wait. Digga, zeig mir das hier. Tot. Can I have a Nike logo on my head?
Yeah, of course I can do it.
Can you seriously write something here? Or is it not possible?
Yeah, it's possible, but I have to bring.
You have to don't equip. Okay, easy. Yeah.
Bring.
Next time.
Yeah. What you want to do?
I don't know.
7-1?
7. No. Boah, was kann ich mir da einritzen, Jungs? Also rasieren, nicht einritzen. Einrasieren, meine ich. Ihr checkt. Papa Platte. Do you watch YouTuber or streamer?
Yeah, sometimes. I don't have a lot of time to do this. But sometimes I watch. I know one living here.
Okay.
Called Postgrabber. Max.
Max?
Yeah. But I don't know. He moved from here to Bali, I think. But sometimes I watch. Or then do.
Is the name Max Pro? What?
Postgrabber or something like that.
Ah, okay.
I can show you after.
Do you know Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast.
Oh yeah, of course.
Nice.
Mr. Beast is amazing.
Yeah.
You know him?
Yeah. I'm the Luxembourgish version of him.
Oh yeah.
Hmm?
This guy have a show, yeah.
What?
Mr. Beast have a show. It's something crazy.
Yeah. 5,000 people can play in this show.
Yeah.
And they can win money.
Yeah, because this. You have some light here. Can I use bit?
What? Light? Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
There you can. The two on the top.
Here?
Yeah. And the other one left? Yeah. Is it enough?
It's better. Thank you.
Okay. Ach, Augenbrauen-Cut. Aber ich muss kurz meine Fresse halten. You can make me an eyebrow cut. An eyebrow cut. You know what this is?
No, actually not. Oh yeah.
It looks nice.
Looks like Brazilian.
Yeah? Yeah. Can you do me?
Yeah, of course.
After the cut. Okay, er macht. Boah, will ich das? Boah, ich weiß nicht. Keine Ahnung. Die Fresse, Alter. Seid auf 0. Ja, okay. But no, not too much up, you know? Yeah. No. It's good when you, I don't know, I just make you. Ich kann kein Englisch.
How much people watching you now?
Now? I don't know, wait, I look. 2,000.
German people.
Yeah, German, all German. But they understand English.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm not good in English.
Yeah, you are better than me.
No way.
In the finals, you are for England or for Spain?
I don't know, but I think Spain will win. But I prefer England.
Why prefer England?
I live there.
Oh.
For months, but I live there.
Okay.
Will be Spain.
How old are you?
33.
33.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa! I think you was 20 or something.
Yeah.
Whoa! That are the Brazilian gains. Sag mal das so, ich hab
I'm
keine
from
Ahnung.
favela.
What is favela?
What is favela? It's difficult to explain, but you know, like that houses in the mountains is.
Ah,
You know?
okay. They say they translate. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Check. Was it hard? Favelas.
Yeah, I'm from favela, but
Oh.
yeah, it's not crazy anyway.
Here
I'm
we-
from São Paulo. São Paulo
São Paulo.
is not too much favelas. I think more in Rio de Janeiro.
Do you know Luxembourg?
Yeah.
I'm Luxembourg. I'm from Luxembourg. Yeah. I speak German in my stream, but I'm originally from Luxembourg.
There speak Portuguese.
Yeah. There are many
And
Portuguese people there.
Exactly. And Brazilian, I think. I don't know.
Brazilian is the language Brasilia, right?
Actually, it's Portuguese too.
Ah,
Brazilian Portuguese.
okay.
It's a bit different than Portuguese. I think it's the same. You speak a British and American English have this difference.
Do you ever, wie sagt man das auf Englisch? Flame cake?
I think I know what is this, but I'm not sure.
I can show you, right?
Yes, better.
This one.
Oh yeah.
You
Yeah,
know?
It's like a pizza.
It's pizza, but it's not pizza. Wie ist die richtige Übersetzung auf Englisch für Flammkuchen?
It's from Luxembourg.
No, it's from France.
Okay. But you live in Germany? Just never living in Germany.
No.
Okay.
The taxes there are very high.
Yeah. This is why I have. Today I cut one guy from German and he do drop shipping
Ah,
and you're living here.
okay, because here taxes are low.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Bali is lower than here, but here is in Europe, so
But here is the island cooler. How long you live here?
5 years. Long 5 years.
Wir werden bis zum Finale, ja. Also ich habe auch gesagt, ich bin mir sehr sicher, dass Spanien halt gewinnt. Aber ich bin immer für das schlechtere Team und in dem Fall wäre das halt England. Aber ich hasse England. Also deswegen bin ich für Spanien. Aber Spanien gewinnt halt safe, 100%.
These days I don't want to speak a lot about football because Brazil go out from Copa America.
Don't watch Copa America.
Yeah,
How they...
Now I think it's a final. Colombia against, I don't know. Actually, I think Colombia wins.
Okay. But Argentina has Messi.
I don't like Argentina.
Do you like Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Boah.
Su.
Can you make me a CR7 on the back?
Yeah, of course I can do that.
Yeah, nice. Ja, hä, wollen wir das machen, Jungs? CR7 im Hinterkopf? Oder GHG? Wir können auch GHG.
Don't have a lot of Brazilians like Argentina, even Messi. Brazilians don't like Argentina, and Argentina don't like.
And why is that so?
I don't know, but always was this. Since Pelé and Maradona.
Which player you prefer, Neymar or Ronaldo?
This is difficult, but about mentality, Ronaldo always.
And about playing?
But skills, Neymar is better.
No, wrong answer.
I'm Brazilian. I have to.
Yeah, I know. Do you know Wirtz?
Who?
Wirtz, Florian Wirtz.
No.
It's German player. He has the potato ranking from TikTok. Do you watch TikTok?
Nah, don't watch too much.
Okay.
I'm older.
Ah yeah, in my head you 20.
VV.
I'm kidding.
A girlfriend? How long?
2 years.
2 years. Nice.
Son, one daughter.
What?
My son is in Brazil. My daughter is here.
Okay. And why is your son in Brazil?
Because he stay with his mom, you know.
Ah, okay. Check.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want he comes to here, but it's not easy.
Yeah.
He's 11 years, so not now.
Yeah.
In the future.
But maybe future.
Yeah.
I hope the best for you.
This is why I'm here. Actually, of course, I came to here because I had a dream to do something better to me and my family. But now it's easy for my son comes
Mhm.
My son, my mom.
How long is the plane from here to Brasilia?
What do you mean?
How long is takes a flight from here to Brazil?
Like 9-10 hours. Depend. If it's go to Lisbon, 9 hours. But when I comes, I pass in Swiss.
Swiss?
Day, just
Swiss.
one day.
I do a Swiss tour.
And after comes to here, so 30 to arrive here.
Okay. What is that?
Just a gel, a cream to razor.
Okay. Oh, that prickles. Oh, Alter, das brennt. Haarentfernungscreme. Bruder, bitte hört auf so zu schreiben. Ich kann nicht die ganze Zeit lachen.
Frag ihn Palmeiras oder Santos.
Don't move now,
Mhm.
please.
You also remove my beard?
Yeah.
Thank you. No, I try not to laugh because it was so, wie sagt man still auf Englisch? Quiet.
Okay.
Silent.
Talk.
Yeah, but you razor.
I do every day. No.
But when I speak, I move. You know?
Okay, now I understand.
Bin nach dem verkackten Popcorn gequittet. Was ist seitdem passiert? Naja, Friseur ist halt jetzt meine Haare. Danach packen wir Mc's Menü in den Ofen. Do you need, you can put it out. Er muss seine Geheimratsräume verstecken.
Used to.
Yeah? I can.
Just
Wait.
here. You have to clean.
Junge Mann, der Monitor bleibt jetzt da. Ich hab keinen Bock, den wegzumachen.
Take off your beard, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry, it's so silent. You know?
It's not a razor.
Das ist halt ein männlicher Moment gerade. When I speak my... Okay.
Almost all my customers do this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's normal for me.
Do you speak with all customers?
I think.
Weit speed left.
Sometimes my customers don't like too much
Yeah.
conversation, you know. But I tried.
Mhm.
You pass like 45 minutes and speak with you. It's not good.
It's
experience,
awkward.
you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I can,
Do you think I have a good jawline?
drawing.
Jawline, here. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it really good? Why are you laughing? Er lacht mich auf.
Too much beard. So
Whoa. I just removed it yesterday, but... Okay, is it... Oh, nice. Thank you. It's clean.
clean.
Yeah.
And just this. Sorry.
Is it brandable?
Use aftershave.
Okay.
You will suffer a little bit now. Your eyes.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it's good. You finished?
Yeah. Do you want
Yeah.
something more?
I do you have window? Mirror, yeah.
Yeah. I don't have.
Okay, also,
Can look.
okay, wie findet ihr? Ja, hier ist halt dieses Ding. Aber das kann man nicht
Yeah,
fixen.
it's
Das
too long.
yeah, but remove it. It's oh hell nah. Oh god. Do you think when we remove
Just a
better?
little bit. Yeah.
Okay, but they find good. Haircut good. Okay, a little bit. When it's too much, I'm cooked.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay.
Just a little bit, because it's too long.
Two fingers.
Okay. Give me this.
Oh, it's better. It's better, yeah.
Yes, I told you.
Okay, and the other side or it's not?
This side I take, but I can take this. Yeah.
Okay, and now the
Oh, yeah.
Aber sieht gut aus? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Boah, it's clean, oder? Yeah, it's clean.
And do you want I do the line of your brown eyes or something?
I need it or what do you think?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, yeah. Zur Ander, danke für Resub 4. Dankeschön.
Relax. I'm so nervous. Relax.
Okay, do you think it's possible or it's not possible with your gear cut here something? Is it possible or do you have...
Lines or...
Can you write there GHG?
No, I don't know.
Like... Wait.
Show me.
Yeah, wait. I don't see it. Okay, like, this size, you know?
I think it's not a good idea.
No?
I have to go up, you know? I don't know if you want this, because I did loaf a little bit more to do the... What do you want?
GHG. The letters. G, H,
Okay.
G.
Yeah, but how I told you, I have to go up. To
Okay.
this, you know.
Okay, and
Because-
then we don't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time I can do what? Just do and this part of here around the GIG,
Yeah.
you know?
Okay. Okay, next time then.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
And I live with her, not her, you know?
Yeah.
The better the.
Okay. Nice.
You want to see your haircut? Maybe using.
Your photo from behind, yeah. Oh, it's nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, ist echt geil. Ich habe nur diese Strähnen, aber da muss ich duschen einmal. I have to shower, then it's okay, I guess, here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. You want some wax or something in your hair?
I don't know. Is it better then? Just do what you want. Do it. Na, Jungs, könnt ihr mal die Fresse halten, bitte? Also, wir sind noch mitten dabei und ihr schreibt schon Trinkgeld, Alter. Halt mal die Fresse. Natürlich gebe ich Trinkgeld. Aber Bruder, was bringt es, wenn ihr jetzt das reinschreibt? Also, ich bezahle ja nicht mal. Digga, fuck mal nicht ab.
Yeah, I think it's this.
And what about this?
If you use your like curly, yeah.
But do you think it's better?
You can hide more like me, you know. I have some yeah. But yeah, if you use curly, I think it's better.
Can you do right now, Curly, or do you have no stuff?
Sorry, I saw it. Turkish.
Your
Love you. Yeah, mate. Want some?
What?
Pass the machine, don't like.
No, it's
I can
okay.
do that.
It's okay. I keep it.
Fast.
Yeah. Kurz rüber, ich gebe mir sein. Do you have? Can I pay with card here or cash? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cash is okay. Okay.
If you have a Revolut, you can send me.
Leck Eier.
Yeah, I have it. Okay, I give you cash. Finde ich keine Steuern. Ich sag bis am 6. Okay, ich gehe kurz rüber. Ich gebe mir sein Geld kurz. Bin ich gleich wieder da. Ihr könnt ja währenddessen kurz mal ein neues Video schauen, haha. Aber ich mach noch irgendein anderes Video an. Warte. Hier, ich war 7 Tage von dir da. Okay,
Ja?
I give you cash. Was geht ab?
Hast du schon irgendwas gesehen von Malema?
Right? Twitch. You have Twitch?
No, but.
But I have also YouTube. It's Let's Hugo. Yeah, it's this one. Okay.
It's okay. You have a bathroom.
Yeah?
Wash my hands.
Ja. Weißt du überhaupt, wie viele Zuschauer sind? Ja, ich meinte, ich habe 2800 gesagt, meinte ich zu ihm. Boah, aber ich muss auf jeden Fall nochmal duschen, Digga. Boah, doch, ist aber geil. Alter, ist wirklich geil.
You
Okay.
like me?
Yeah. Was gut. Okay, ich gebe kurz dein Geld, oder? Schau mal hier.
Stimmt, was bei Simon.
Ja.
Stimmt, das ist dein zweites Mal. Doch, actually gleich groß.
Hey, wie Jeremy.
Und jetzt küssen. Ja, fast. Guck mal
Das
hoch.
ist wer nochmal?
Ach so, Alfred. Was hast du gefragt?
Nix. Wir hatten noch. Aber der Lack geht einen Luftballon.
Oh, willst du morgen mit IRL streamen? Aber hör zu, was wir machen. Und zwar gehen wir um 18, 19 Uhr mit Sabine, wahrscheinlich Marius angeschrien, Chili, die gerade bei mir unten ist.
Ja.
Wir gehen zu so einem, irgendwie irgendwo in der Stadt, ist irgendwie so ein Dinner. Und ich habe aus Spaß gesagt, weil die gefragt haben, ob ich mitkomme, ich habe aus Spaß gesagt, ich muss streamen. Und dann haben die gesagt, ja, dann nimm Stream mit. Falls du morgen mit willst, kannst du gerne mit. Das ist irgendwann abends. Ja, könnt ihr das Signal mitteilen.
Here we go!
Oh mein Gott, mein.
Hoffentlich.
Das ist noch ein kleiner Ding.
Oh nein.
Jetzt ist
Ich habe ein Geschenk für dich, Hugo. Ich habe ein Geschenk für dich mitgenommen.
Oha! Was?
Habe ich gekauft beim Fugelstand.
Die Welt ist fantastisch, sie ist wunderschön und viele. Wie halten sich die hin?
Wer zuerst wegzieht, ist Pussy.
Jo, was geht ab? Hier ist Maloche, ja, leck mir am Arsch. Digga, Bro hat 40 Euro Trinkgeld von mir bekommen. Ich hatte nur Fuffis. Digga, ist mein... Nein, sag nicht, der ist kaputt. Nein. Der ist vorhin hingefallen. Nein, der war teuer. Yes. Aber wie war er uns? War gut? War cool, dass er hier im Stream war, oder war scheiße? Nein, cool. Und es war nicht awkward, oder? Das hat mich am meisten überrascht. Digga, es war überhaupt nicht awkward. Ging, bisschen. Hey. Beruhigt euch. Da war gar nichts awkward. Digga, Bro, warum wollt ihr mich so ficken? Erklärt mal bitte. Ach, leck doch Arsch. Oh, die Scorne-Vase. Ah, danke.
Lutsch meine Eier.
Digga, Kevin Papa Platt hat mir eine Sprachmemo geschickt. Was soll das jetzt? Er hat mich gefragt, ob er mich besuchen
Du
will.
geile Hans.
Also, ob er mich besuchen kann oder soll. Und der hat geschrieben, nein. Ich schreibe ja bitte.